All right, here we go. So you're standing about shoulder width apart with the feet, doesn't have to be too precise. And then move one leg a little bit forward. So I'm gonna step this foot forward. So if you're mirroring me, you've got your left foot forward. If you wanna be all fancy, you can take your back foot and turn it out about 45 degrees, kind of sink the hips a little bit. So here we are. And imagine that in front of you, there is a big bowl of some sort. And the surface of the bowl is about the height of your navel, give or take. So you're just gonna take your hands, you're gonna dip them into the water, right? My hands are in the water, not too hot, not too cold. And I'm gonna begin to stir the water. That's all it is, I'm stirring the water. And then as I get it going, I'm gonna begin to shift my hips a little bit. And I'm going to begin at first to make the movement feel as if it's coming from the movement of the hips. So I'm kind of just letting the hands kind of sway and the arms are going to sway. And then as I stir it, I'm going to stir it a little bit faster. Or maybe it actually doesn't go any faster. I just have the intention of kind of stirring it kind of deeper, right? The water is stirring. I'm imagining that the movement is coming from the space behind my navel. And I got this whirlpool going deep down into the abyss, stirring the water. All right, now, if I were doing this on my own and you weren't watching me, I'd probably do it a little bit longer, but that's good enough for now. I'm gonna step that foot back, I'm gonna switch. So now if you're mirroring me, you got your, what is that, your right leg in front. And so now I'm gonna stir the water again. If the right leg is in front, your hands are circling clockwise. But they can circle the other way too. No harm will come to you. So stirring the water. Oh, look at that. It's stirring in a whirlpool all the way down into the abyss. A whirlpool down to hell. All right, now I'm gonna let that go. Bring it back and dry off the hands. Thank you, water. Thank you, bowl. All right, we're done.